First top headlines. A district cannot be a state, says Chief Minister N. Biren. Minister El Sushindro's godown burned down by mob. Yesterday's incident was very unfortunate, a big communication gap, says Minister Sushindro. BJP MLA S. Rajan accused Assam Rifles of adding Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs of Kamenlok incident held. And the curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 6 p.m. today, Bishopur District 5 p.m. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh has said that a district cannot be a state. He said this during his inspection visit at the relief camp opened at Kumalampak Youth Hostel, where thousands of displaced people from Sero, More, Sugnu, Tangjing are taking shelter. He was accompanied with President of BJP Manipur Pradesh A. Sharda Devi. The Chief Minister further said no bunker can be erected crossing the district boundaries. On the other hand, various schemes pregnant mothers have been taken up under the supervision of Party President of A. Sharda Devi. Moreover, temporary benefit schemes for the displaced people will be taken up soon, the Chief Minister added.
45 days manungda school the college the adagi kano manungda kari haitare khoi community hall da punjan dana leibam jahong khangna leiriba singse moisi fajana mafam pinana bagi step khoi sanga bada 45 days manungda khoi loirani ne khoi thajaba thamjari madugi maraptu da sura suka sarga nomaga tanba mayam amasu yawbani na moigi pocket money oinana ba mi amamda imung amada nataba mi imung amda mi manga leire lising manga mari leire lising mari adana mi amamda per heta lising amam khadang aikhoi Monday natraga Tuesday dagi makoi da leiriba khoi gi relief camp khodi mak leiri bi ba singna khoi yan thopa horagani piba horagani hoji low singu ba khona ba tongnar pam pham mayam se khoi national highway da leirma bunker sing khoi ayam loina lokho halabani national highway da bunker leiba khotpa dagi maram chadana district cross tongnaga bunker sana ba khona ba si amta tobu yaroi jingda buji irang leitre jingda irang leite ba karsu khana ba su leite chaina ba su leite amma su leite hoi nongmai kapak pa kholak pa tawri mayam do di khoi force chap chana thengnari akhoi di civilian ni akhoi di volunteer ni akhoi gi village volunteer ni na haiba do yararoi village volunteer na bomb sena ba aponte village volunteer na sophisticated weapons sena ba aponte paide adugi pot puna mak to koi forensic ke dorka sab action long na ba government ge koi thaba hore NIA gi mi lakhre thijan ba hogre hoyariber terrorist group today koi legal gi matung na dandi pigini aduna police satpada army satpada adagi BSF satpada CRP satpada tawi ga do loina sida thinga ga leiraga lambi mayam se numit heng mamma ga koi gi si kari ko makhal lam ge koi Imphal Valley paralyzed to Budum to Holy Karigino say. Aduga government, silent spectator, when a letter, I'm to Guy Bagadi, Warubigano. I couldn't think any lances from the Tennessee, other than Naquimasian ones in the Zaragadi, Madi Kamo, Maduto Vigano, Maduto Vino, legal election to Comadan Madu, a Quibusulan Lovigan.
Irate Mo burned down the godown cum farmhouse of Minister El Sushindro located at Kangla Sangomsang last night around 10 p.m. The reason for burning the godown is yet to be clarified. However, Manipur Fire Service came in time and doused the fire in. How many properties have been damaged in the fire is yet to be established. On the other hand, some miscreant also tried to burn the minister's house located at Tinsit Road, Kurai Sarjolikai. Combined force fired tear gas cells and mob bombs to disperse the miscreants. In the meanwhile, MLA Sushindro has said that the last night incident of burning farmhouse, mandal office and pipes for sewage project was very unfortunate. He said this during a press meet held at his residence at Kurai Sarjolikai. MLA of Lamlai AC TH Bomcha also attended the press meet. The minister further said being an elected representative serving for people is our duty. However, due to miscommunications, yesterday's incident was taken place. In the near future, we can sit, talk and resolve the issue in a good way, the minister added.
Mathang mai tharakpadagi akoigi inausing amagi mamingda leiba akoigi aina hana rajniti da lakchingaida rajniti tawrotringaida politics tawrotringaida aina thamakpa akoigi kana machinery khara haitare adusu mu mai thadok pirame adui matungda PhD department ge handakta kui digidreba haitare PhD department ge contractor singna fangraba akoigi serious development haipta serious ki second phase ki adumba pipe kaya ama leiraga around 120 crore muki pipe leiraga thamba akhoi ki kendra gi manungda akhoina low pari ama gumbagi chang aduga mapam amada pari mu chang che low contractor sing je asuna kanda thambam se leitabadagi adamaina akhoina rental da low sing labuk sing da thamba adum property ama department gi property ama around 120 crore muki pipe sing se hujiki hairiba nupamacha sing kharana somba mo pamba angang sing kharana mai thadokhi ne adubu aina nasi public miyam singda amasung media gi chinau singda aina thamjani wafam di MLA haiba minister haiba se miyam gi dongda thabak townabani aigi imang da sumba incident am thoga ai kamaina madu yengam dana chatkani madu MLA magi mathawni minister mai mathawni awna akhoi minister mo iba MLA mo iba haiba se public miyam gi dongda thabak tawge na leiribani awna public simu kannana bu honaba public simu save tawno honaba se akhoi gi thawdang adumai khanjaraga da akhoi na madu mo mayam sindu torok rubugi tawrubai da bakta ai gi ngonda sumaina personally attack tawba se masi khwai da gi laibak thibane masi tahonjaningde.
On the other hand, MLA of Lamlai AC TH Bomcha said the elected representatives are working with heart and soul to bring about peace and harmony in the state. However, due to some communications gap, the unwanted incidents are being taken place. This is very unfortunate. We need a leader to guide the present issue, otherwise such miscommunications might be taken place. Therefore, we all are needed to leave alert, the MLA said.
अखोई मणिपुर ने फेस तौरीबा सिगुम्बा फिल्म से अराइबा फिल्म नते मीगिदी सही सांग अमा प्लान तौरगा फजना थौरांग तौरगा तौरकपा पोल अमनी एवरीथिंग मोइदी यामना प्लान मैनर दा हाइदा यामना वेल ऑर्गेनाइज ओइबा मोंग अमदा थबक तौए अर मोइना हुजिक पामिसी मोइना सु अखोई थक लानताबा से अखोई की एंगबा हाइतारे कुकी मिलिटेंट सिंग सुगी मखादा लेबा इलीगल माइग्रेंट सिंग even migrants into the Manundasu, I am on a train to Landa hissing of Bakoi militant gumbas, Mayama Yawena, a panari, the gateway Lungri Sitpasing Bowers, yaure haibasi leiramne sumba plan manner amata torokoni aduna moina hojik tawrise aran basu moin tawba aduga aran basina maitei singna ni haibasi thangjellaga akoi gi government ga si loisel matungda moi gi apamba duda target tawraga sangsilaiba polamane aduna si face tawbase aina khanjabadadi akoi Manipur da leiriba akoi maitei haitare akoi mayam se akoi different workshop life da leiba aru mayam sigi apen ba pen da ban nungai ta punumak se difference punumak se loina ma kau tho kanda akoi unitedly lepa kanda thengnaragadi akoi ne am laina success oi bungam ni na khalli da akoi masen khanna ba khona ba moi gi jati da su mi si ba yauri bani yu mei chak ba yauri bani mayam am tori bani ba du moi khana ya haibe pau stem ta ta de akoi gi dadi any difference ma lai kan su akoi du su kaubira MLA do tung to law minister tung to khoi noi na ta pen da basi lei natraga khoi la ke lei ramu hairaga loi wari saba ya bangak tane adu gi mahuta akhoi da ngarang chanto mi ba pawdu haidi mayam nadi moi akhoi gi engna basing sida to ke matik pen dram ni na moi gi mi sang sang he paw ta bada ama khangde hat ke na budi khan ba madu gi nungai ta bi sentiment du budi khoi understand tawje.
On the other hand, Amara Paibi named Sorokhaibam Ongbi Gita Devi, Secretary of Mother Association, Kuraitin Road, has strongly condemned the act of Sabungkhok Mara Paibi, who had brutally assaulted her in the pretext of informer. She said this during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today. She further said she has been working for the welfare of displaced people since the violence occurred in the state. If she was not saved by Minister Sushindro yesterday, she will be no more, she added. She appealed to the people of Manipur that never trust in rumor. She had no guilty in yesterday's incident. Without knowing the fact and a figure, never tried to point finger to innocent people. It may create many unfortunate incidents.
I this one my game me with Benina. I say this Budagi, cried the impanbaneba. I don't know. I am an I said don't hang whenever some sites that. Then a hangman I give means had the Pagadra and I do my days. High was mine. I just say initially the impanbani company. I do my high. I do hire Matus. My am those high. See anything as I get with the end of the minute later. Hire Pangangs in Yaweba. I do you carry command or rain hang there. Mayam Zek, the Omzalaga, me Karana with the Quasi Club, Kumbam the Pusele. Club to my mob says, quick and not a wangam dreva. King Wangam dreva. Tongue to Garpayawi, I want to know my Namapayawi. The actor Arroy with the is the I live attempt we go more. To Cories, my milk when I was mine. Well, I is the Bushidra, I say, sure that is a crumb. The other loina pate have the Yariko, me, Adum, I can be by me, we, I know some Uzaba, others I yandi, Tadre, I say, I see Bushidra, I say. My Makaza, the Kutara, I am being a car, as soon as the prisoners are not eight of the I books that was hooked ready, there is a car, but never. I do not can't they, my am in other girls, the case here to come in over, I have a country. My guys who come another, this side say, Banito and Toana, Vanina. I master come in over again, which is Maza came to country. I do Moina, I give Fondi. Moina Canano, I meet the country, Luxembourg, I have the Kangeva. I beg to do me and way and money. I give Pons the no low and most of the lame, I'm saying, I think I came to the I Margo Marie came bowling was nothing with the kid number. Just the matter by me, but the minimum I'm saying, Hang never. I don't pon Jamaka or Mating Pang, the big Karahiba, but citizen, Lona Bangata never million. I don't quite so Kuragi, see my answer, Hiraga, subtly never. Other than Moina, I want the Kadi, no one is Sibiriba Iranze. The Mayang moves in Aze. I carry Iran Zikari Nova, Kogi Kuragi, Minister Yamaze, I Manak with the Leram Bazan never. I Mama cooked and I didn't see my Mother, I can't be up.
On the other hand, a member of the association, Ngangam Ongbi Ibemja Devi, who also present at the press meet, condemned the act of Sabungkhok Mara Paibi in the strongest term. Gita is working hard and soul for the displaced people, terming her as an informer is very unfortunate. The Mara Paibis of Sabungkhok should clarify on it at the earliest, she said.
Mara Paibi haina thoise masige wahan to khangna Mara Paibi singsna thabak tawminaseba. Lebaki issues our resident thing in the Haragati, Masigum crisis as a Tohangum Java. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯆꯥꯕꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯡ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯃꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯊꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1 ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2 ꯀꯔꯤꯅೋ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 2 ꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯖꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯒꯤꯇꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯖꯠ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯒꯤꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯔ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ
BJP MLA of Lamsang Assembly constituency, Salam Rajan, has accused Assam Rifles of taking side with Kuki militants. Interacting with media persons during his visit to Karong village in Lamsang Assembly constituency on Friday, the MLA contended that were multiple instances of the Assam Rifles firing shots towards the Maite village defense volunteers as the latter restored the retaliatory firing to stave off attack by Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs who sacrificed for the motherland was held at Oksu, Imphal and many other places. In Oksu, in Imphalis, in the presence of tens and thousands of people took part and performed the last rites. Floral tributes were paid to the photographs of led martyrs. However, women folk of Singjamai also performed the last rites at Singjamai Kaitil. Floral tributes were paid to the photographs of late 9 martyrs. Talking to ELITETV News, a mother who was taking part in the last rites expressed her dissatisfactions over both the state and central governments.
What ki matam dadi Manipur da khuji asa wasang oriba phamnai ba oriba makoi sing asi how jongi Manipur da chiau na waraba asi anato aba macha masu kainaraba macha mawa kainaraba sagadra saroidra khangraba maran mathum puna mak on khraba asi bawda kari leige haidana Manipur da lairiba asa wasang singsina tuminna phamdana magi mafam do kondana lai haujik phawba gyan ta de haiba yai sige mathakta amuk Bharat ki prime minister haikta hairage aduna Modi haiba athauba do karino tauriba sibo laibak asibo haibada no ma phawba yengbirakte achauba state ta already ngasi mana hanna yengdriba sumaina atai do already ma yenghidra sige sanu nage ne sanu apik pa laibak ni haidana usit thawoi da mali aduga yamna hangjaning ba mana bota dia jam kanna tawraga hojik thawoi dribase akoi India natra baba Manipur se India ki state ama oidra bra haiba adugi question do hangingi
Churachandpur District Administration has continued extending relief material to displaced people who are sheltered at different relief centers here. There are 105 relief centers in the district. These relief centers are managed by various philanthropic organizations. The district administration provided food, water, and health and sanitation facilities to the inmates through the philanthropic organizations. Medicines and medical services were provided through Chief Medical Officer, while drinking water and sanitations are provided through PHED. Yesterday, the district administration distributed 632 rice bags, 108 bags of potatoes, 100 bags of dal, 98 bags of butter, 78 bags of onion, 30 bags of pumpkin, 100 bags of chili, 127 tins of edible oil, 690 numbers of sanitary pads, 690 pieces of diapers, 196 packets of Nestogen and 240 mosquito repellent coils. These materials were handed over to philanthropic organizations who are managing the relief camps. Apart from providing relief materials to the displaced people at relief centers, the district administration has left nothing to chances to ensure uninterrupted supply of basic needs to public, particularly rice. Towards this end, district administration has opened 3 points for sale of OMS's rice for the public. The sales points are at Mini Secretariat Complex, Tuibong, ADCC Town Office, Hingtam Lamka and Lamka South BDO Office, Komintang. Rice is being sold at Rs 32 per kg and 5 kg per head per day. Till date, 7,490 kgs of rice were sold to the public through OMSs. Besides district officials such as Deputy Commissioner Dharun Kumar S. IAS, District Nodal Officer Relief Kim Manung Chim IAS, cluster officers, assistant cluster officers, SDOs also visited various relief camps since the past few days as a trust building measures. The officials also dined together with the inmates. Besides, district administration handed over sports and recreational items to the children at various relief centers. As the law and order situation has been improved gradually in the Imphal East and West, curfew has been extended 6 p.m. today, whereas Bishnupur district remains as 5 p.m. Markets and shops were open during the curfew relaxation in the 3 districts. People rushed to market and shops to buy essential items during curfew relaxation hours. Traffic was seen as normal as before on the roads. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna lying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathau su tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin bidau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai. Manipur University da affiliated Toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tauraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission housere. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, Amadi, BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, Hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, Amadi, meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa moral gidama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiratuna ngasimak kudong saba si lowiu.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Lana Thauram Malem Taibang Panasida, Ekoi Kwagi Irakta Tinjaramba, Laishram Bankim Chandra, Atopamaming, Abung, Mathaina, Maginusi Jaraba, Imumanong Sagainatai Amadi, Marok Mapang Kwai Pumnamapu Thadok Lamnaga. ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 16 ꯊꯥ 3 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ 2022 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯥꯒꯤ 25ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯈꯥꯃꯦꯟꯂꯣꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯒꯦꯖꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯟꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯆꯦꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯅꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 18 ꯊꯥ 3 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ 2022 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯃꯉꯥꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯍꯨꯟ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯆꯠ 25 ꯊꯥ 3 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ 2022 ꯀꯨꯝꯖꯥ ꯏꯉꯦꯟꯒꯤ 8ꯅꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯦ꯫ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜꯗ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯆꯤꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯨꯅꯕ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯪ ꯂꯥꯡꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯉꯛꯂꯧ ꯈꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯈꯩꯔꯣꯜꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯀꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ, ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯟ, ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯏꯆꯜ, CSOꯁꯤꯡ, ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯈꯩꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯅꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯠ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ, ꯅꯦꯇꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯂꯣꯟ 이ꯔꯣꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡ, CSOꯁꯤꯡ, ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯇꯥ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯪꯂꯥ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝꯁꯪ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ, ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁ, ꯐꯣꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 7005259973 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ 9366576106।
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. A one-day blood donation camp organized by Kongpal Social Development Organization Come Youth Center Kongpal Mayar Lekai was held at the blood bank of Jenims. Altogether, 25 persons donated blood in the camp. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of the organization Nauram Dide said the main objective of organizing the blood camp is to do something for the present violence in Manipur, where many people have been enjoyed the violence. Blood cannot be manufactured. It is the elixir of life. The blood donation is being held from the past and will continue in the future too, he added.
Siung warna warna yam tarba matam sida karigum mamateng han tegi su tawrga laksari edu lekai jiki oina khoi volunteer sing sida gi je ana hospital jiki te EGP je have je khoina kanna lepna ba matungda masina chokba mateng mo oi asok ipaliba mayam du mateng mo oiner ba haiduna khoina EPJ na lepna sabni ado khoinga si EP to je mi kun ga mangam ni punna ado khoi kun mangam se kharsu laga leiri haina takpiri hausi kun mangam se pirani duga kun manga jina karai karai no drakha ba hospital sida lakpa either ka level ranjiga mari linana like bamida khudung sabo ni hadina khoina smaito stop sabani
Nongchub Impal Palemima Punbalub Nimpal today staged a sit-in protest at Kashampad Yumjawlarambi Community Hall at Kashampad Junction. Many placards with different slogans were displayed by the protesters. Speaking to media persons, General Secretary of the Lub Soraisam Santilaima said at this critical juncture, Prime Minister as well as Home Minister neglecting the issue of Manipur is very unfortunate and highly condemnable.
Relief camp lairiba mayum mai thadok piraba masa mawa kaina ba kuki singa hatok piraba adigi masa kaina ba mawa kaina ba awa ma masak maya ma ka relief camp ta khangi ba adi ban block ta biriba kadai kano hinga to riba sibo yam thine pente modi ki government akhoi pente aduga magi man ki baat all India radio in panda all India radio in panda man ki baat sandoi ba se all India radio in panda man ki baat sandoi ba se all India radio in panda man ki baat sandoi ba se to kada bane kadi da magi wa khoi taning de aduga ngasi Delhi da all political party akhoi India gi conference phamni hase kari result no mana foreign da satan lairaga home puriba Amit Shah ji Manipur da laame mana solution ta porak pangam de 10 days lairaga lakani habna ma lakte
Adiyam Sangba India ki Home Minister Amana Adukyan Oida Bangase Kari Marangido I quite pende Ami Sahase I quite pende Asumaya Taugadapate India ki Home Pipe Target Exobalagane Home Harvestly Exoban Home Yata Kandabla Moy the Exobalagane active service to Godamne Madukari Kande Aduka Bananga Sikari solution for Kadino Manipur Ingadaba Cookie is so Kudakala Tokadabani Cookie choose at Tamimakai Manipur Santi Leroy.
Mairapai is of United Club Organization and Kaishamtong Assembly Constituency Ward Number 9 today states a sit-in protest at Kaishampad Laimajam Lekai Community Hall today. Many placards with various slogans were displayed by the protesters. Speaking to media persons, Secretary of the Mairapai Bilop Thokchom Chandra Sakhi said many houses have been burned down by the Kuki militants and more than 60,000 people have been displaced. However, the present state and central government are doing nothing. They are remained as silent spectators. On the other hand, the central forces sending by the central government are also doing nothing for the people of Manipur, instead extending help to Kuki militants. If the situation remains as it is, the Mairapai will take off many forms of agitations, she added.
hang blockade hang banga moy dori banoba mantri singi mayung ngang na bagi damaktra ngarang nahan Delhi da makhoi myam chale kari manang gi noba makoi phammun na ba man bagi mawang da amana ni pani hai amana mapan ni hai kari gi damakta memorandum tong han pisan biroba puro pula punchalaga akan basakti da winga magi makhada ama khatang pisan biba kari to bageba mi tara na pirapa oira di paning ngaroi center government na su ama khatang gi apun ba kholaw mana chap chaba phire pa ma lepaga kholaw du law mina ru ragati kari gi taro idra no center government na ngamdraga na makhoi hayo India government akhoi state government bu nungsi da batadi akhoi achumba akhoi chap chana akhoi gi state ta leri bang makhoi na akhoi gi state asibu ngakchagani nakhoi gi post mayam hando khoroina tridan tawna kari gi ngamde makhoi kari power laita geba kari shakti laita adu ngamda tardi kari gi makhoi thambai dana laike tori binoba makhoi na pami makhoi ba khoi gi hak chine makhoi da khoi sina gi koi Manipur kan na bgai damata akhoi gi hak sing do kadai da thambi kara geba chai manga khatani makhoi na pai ge do phamuna birga no cheng na chalaga Delhi da makhoi pulap punchalaga amata kholaw law biwo aseng ba khoi gi Manipur gi saktam da kai da boy han biwo aduga taseng na Manipur asida leiri base maitai khatana te furup kaya na jati kaya na pullaga tamina bani hauji lan chok lai base lammul magini migi mayu munna bagini adoi tadi mulliba mado akoi lehauri ba furup mayam che punchalaga khongpam mamata da leminaraga akoi lan kan minna che haiba wafam che akoi
Just submitting memorandum to Prime Minister and Home Minister will not bring any solution to the present crisis of Manipur. This was stated by National General Secretary of RPI Atwale Mahesh Thaunaujam on a television interview yesterday. He further said he came to Delhi to all the national leaders of the party and other ministers to explain what exactly happened in Manipur in detail. He also explained to the channel what exactly wanted by the people of Manipur in detail.
मतलब इसके लिए we just want to clarify, we want to just meet to all the leaders of our country, ठीक है, वो लोग जानते हैं या नहीं, we just want to know, because मणिपुर का इतना इशू बड़ा हो गया, लोग मर रहे हैं, 100 से ऊपर लोग मर रहे हैं, वो we just want to know that they know the facts or not, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक मेमोरेंडम देने से नहीं होगा, मेमोरेंडम देने वो पड़ेगा नहीं पड़ेगा, हम लोग को कुछ मालूम नहीं है, so we have to meet the direct person, डायरेक्ट पर्सनालिटी एंड वी हैव टू नो कि मणिपुर का जो अभी हो रहा है आपको मालूम है तो अभी तक सोल्व क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा है, इसका क्या रीजन है बिहाइंड। तो वो लोग कुकी मिलिटेंट्स क्या चाहता है, एक सेपरेट स्टेट चाहता है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चाहता है, क्योंकि वो लोग का कुकी लैंड एक फॉर्म करे और पॉपी कल्टीवेशन का ड्रग का बिजनेस शुरू हो और उसके साथ अच्छी तरह से वो बिजनेस कर पाए, वो उससे इंडिया बर्बाद हो जाए। वी आर नॉट सेइंग दैट इन मेरे स्टेटमेंट में भी और कोई स्टेटमेंट में आप कोई भी मैत्री स्टेटमेंट में भी आप देखा नहीं होगा कि गो बैक कुकीज लिखा है, कभी लिखा है गो बैक कुकी टू म्यांमार, कुछ लिखा है नहीं। वो लोग क्या बोल रहा है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, आपके घर को तोड़ो बोल रहा है। हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, शू मिलिटेंट्स का एग्रीमेंट को खारिज करो, इसका मतलब बंदूक वाले अपना बंदूक को रखो बोल रहे हैं।
And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Manipur University Kanchipur gi manakta leba Temple of Learning Toll amasung Temple of Learning Degree College ki 2023-2024 gi admission tawjari. 11 class Science, Arts amasung Commerce. Degree College gi na General Course ta BA amasung BSc, Professional Degree Course ta BBA amasung BCA ni. CCTV camera na monitor tawraba classroom amadi campus matik charaba playground, well equipped tawraba Science, Arts amasung laboratory taret. Lising kaya gi larik leraba library ahum quality education bu pamjaba mairoi sing mama mapa amasung guardian singna athubada mingchan bi ho sit akaknabani selection test leiroi ahan lakpada kudong sab pizegani agopa marol office dagi mobile website amadi online kuthang dagi phangbigani.
Admission open. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy ke Lakatori Station 2023-24 ke admission hausare. Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized tauraba amati 5 years service complete oiraba Manipur da amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani class 12 pass tauraba mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna mingchan biba yaragani. Male and female punna apply toba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience lairaba trainer singna train tauriba 100 plus students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course sing khudong chaba leijari. Course sing adudi international air hostess training, airport operation and staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati airport visits. Institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing dasu khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 7005970470 natraga 8132092225.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena hunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjanabagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chanaba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oiraknaba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu ipurgedi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna satra khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhoigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambel amada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. Now the news in detail. PM Narendra Modi met with Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai during his visit to the US. PM Modi invited Pichai to explore further avenues of collaborations in AI, fintech, cybersecurity, as well as mobile device manufacturing in India. Meanwhile, Pichai raised PM's vision for Digital India and said it was way ahead of his time. United States Vice President Kamala Harris, who hosted a luncheon in PM Narendra Modi's honor, said in an address that India is a very important part of our life. She recalled her mother Shyamala Gopalan took her and her sister Maya to India when they were kids. She said the conversations she had with her grandfather influenced her thinking. Thousands of pilgrims arrive in Mecca ahead of the state of Hajj next week. The Independent has shared a video wherein the devotees were seen gathered at the Grand Mosque for the Friday prayer. According to Hajj Minister Tawfiq Al-Rabian, over 2 million pilgrims from over 160 countries will gather in the holy city of Mecca for the pilgrimage. By 2050, around 1.3 billion people, 13.47% of the global populations, will have diabetes, twice the 2021 figure of 529 million, a Lancet study stated. It indicated that no country is likely to witness a decrease in age-standardized diabetes rates in the next 3 decades. Despite increased awareness, diabetes is exponentially growing and outpacing most diseases globally, the paper stated. Former U.S. President Barack Obama talking about the dates of migrants after the boat carrying them capsized off the Greek coast recently said, thinking about the circumstances which lead desperate people to come here. Referring to the missing Titan submersible, Obama added, the fact that submersible missing incident got so much more attention than 700 people who sank. Elon Musk-led SpaceX on Friday launched 56 Starlink internet satellites to low Earth orbit from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. The launch came a day after the company launched 47 Starlink satellites from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The company has launched more than 4,500 Starlink satellites so far, of which about 4,200 are operational. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. A district cannot be a state, says Chief Minister and Biren. Ministerial Sushindro's godown burned down by mob. Yesterday's incident was very unfortunate, a big communication gap, says Minister Sushindro. BJP MLA S. Rajan accused Assam Rifles of adding Kuki militants. The last rites of 9 martyrs of Kaminlok incident held. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East and West till 6 p.m. today, Bishnupur District 5 p.m. And that's a wrap for today. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great evening.